Skip the alarm and wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee every morning. This Hamilton Beach 12-cup programmable coffee maker can be programmed up to 24 hours in advance so you can make sure you never miss your coffee wake-up call. Customize your cup with 3 brew options: regular, bold, or 1 to 4 cups, and pour your first cup fast before the brewing process is done without compromising taste or creating a mess. With the auto pause and serve feature, the 2-hour automatic shutoff gives you peace of mind. Cord storage eliminates tangles on the countertop, easy cleanup. Carafe and brew basket are top rack, dishwasher safe. Hot plate is nonstick and easily wipes clean. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Programmable to fit your schedule. The digital clock is easy to program, and you can set your brew time up to 24 hours in advance for wake-up ready coffee. Number 2. Easy to clean. The 12-cup borosilicate glass carafe and lift and clean brew basket are top rack, dishwasher safe. The hot plate is non-stick and easy to wipe clean. Number 3. Auto shutoff. With a 2-hour automatic shutoff, you won't have to wonder if you left the pot on. Number 4. Auto pause and pour. Sneak a cup during the brewing process without any spilling. Number 5. Select a brew. Prefer a robust brew, or just want the right balance even when you're making one serving? This coffee maker offers you the brewing customization you need. Choose from bold, regular, or 1 to 4 cups. Number 6. Easy view water window. The water reservoir is easy to fill and features a water window that lets you view the water level from the front of the brewer. Number 7. Cord storage eliminates tangles on the countertop. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.